Hey, this is the video for HOMEOSTASIS.2. So go ahead and check out the essential vocabulary and set up your guided notes. So we need to talk about the specific properties of water. Remember that water is H2O. These little white circles down at the bottom represent the hydrogen, and the larger red circle represents oxygen. Now, water has these properties because of the way the atoms behave. The hydrogen atoms have a slight positive charge, and the oxygen atom has a negative charge that balances this out. So overall, water doesn't have a charge, but it has areas that have different charges. So what does this mean? This means that water will stick to itself because you have the positive hydrogens sticking to the negative oxygens, very much like a magnet. All magnets will have a positive end and a negative end, and the opposites attract. So water will line up and orient itself in this way, and this gives water very unique properties, and this is called polarity. But you don't have to know the word polarity. If you do take chemistry, you will study it in chemistry. But water polarity, you can actually see it. If you take a drop of water, you can stick it on your finger, and you'll notice that the water does stick to itself. It doesn't run all over the place. You can kind of hold on to it. Now, this is important because it helps out especially in plant cells. And in this unit, we're talking about water remaining constant in a plant. So we need to talk about the vacuole. And the vacuole is an organelle that stores liquids in plant and animal cells. In plant cells, it is going to be much larger. This is the vacuole. So when the vacuole is filled, the plant will have enough water. When the vacuole is not filled, the plants may start wilting. The leaves may start drooping. Now, water moves into a plant, and it enters the plant through the roots, and it moves up the plant because the water can stick to itself. So it goes up much like drinking water out of a straw. And then it will eventually leave. The water that is not used for photosynthesis will leave through the leaf by evaporating, and we'll talk about that in the next video. So again, the water starts out in the roots and leaves through the leaf. And it moves up the plant through what is called xylem. And xylem are tubes within plants that bring water from the roots to the leaves. What I would like you to do is show me what you have learned and respond to the practice problem set PP2. I hope that this video was informative. I thank you for your attention. I will see you soon.